So let's start talking about adding data into our data set. So we have our product name, we have our product ID, we have our count, we have the number of we've sold, and then we have the incoming that we might possibly have. So let's type in some product name here. So we have boxes, we have tables, racks. Let's say we have chairs, computers, and desks. So these are some different product names. Then we can type in product IDs. Let's say it's number 0001, number 0202, number 3456, number 3452, number 4567, number 2341. We have product ID, and let's type in random counts. So we have 10, 14, 12, 22, 12, and 10. And let's see how many we've sold. So we've sold 6, 7, 7, 10, 4, 5. You see our data starting to come in here, and then we have incoming. So things we've ordered. So let's say we have 4, 7, 5, 12, 8, and 5. And if you start to look here, as I type in the data, there's a difference here between the count and the sold and the incoming. As we sell and our count goes down, we need to order more to make sure our count stays the same so we have more inventory to sell. This is just the basics how you type certain things in. Now, as we go through this, as we build tables, as we do different things, this will become a lot easier because the Excel sheet starts to find trends. So let me show you an example here. So let's say we had 3 more product names here. We could actually highlight these column cells. And if I drug these down here, you see how it almost averaged it out in a way, which is really interesting. So we don't want that. What I want is, I'm going to delete that. So we're going to clear contents on this. Okay. So I'm going to do general. So let's say we drag down 10. If I drag down that cell little thing in the corner, it's going to have me just drag it straight down. Let's say I wanted to drag 4. See how it's still averaging. We don't want that. But as you can see, as you drag down cells, let's try 5 here. Drag down 5, 5 appears. Drag down 5, 5 appears. So if we had a different product here, it'd do the same thing. Now let's see if I drag this number down, see what happens. It adds a number. It sees the trend, so it's going to add the number. We may not want that. Let's type in another, let's say carpet. So now we added another product name and product ID, but you can drag different things down if you wanted that same number without having to type it in every time. It finds trends. We can copy and paste cells too. So let's say we drag this, we go Control C, and we could go here, Control V, and we have the same data. So we can do that as well. So there's many different ways to type into a data set. As you can see, I'm going back here. Different ways to type into a data set, and this becomes a lot easier when we actually have data, not just putting random stuff in, and we can create tables and inserts and filters and all types of different things. Just the basics. So as you can see, we just have a basic inventory data right here. It's not too hard. Create your title, type in your columns that you want, your product name, product ID, count, sold, incoming. You can add many more labels to this. You can add things up. You can have conditional formatting with colored cells and different things. This is just the basics of inputting data. Hope this helps, and look forward to seeing you in the next lectures when we start talking about the tables and the functions and the cool stuff when it comes to Excel. Thank you.